Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Daddy, Mama, mine. Thank you. Thank you. That mine. Bobo. Bobo.
That's an Elmo towel.
Who brought you that? Was it the Easter Bunny?
Look, Momo. Momo.
Yeah, the Easter Bunny brought you that Elmo towel.
Look,
What is that?
a bunny
What's it made of?
with
I think it's made of chocolate. Oh, that's good bunny nose.
You're doing your bunny nose?
Yeah.
You're funny.
look.
Treats.
Treats! Yay!
Open that.
You want to eat a little bag of treats?
Yay.
What else is in there, Solomon? Look, there's one more thing. Go look and see what else is in there.
That.
Look, Solomon. What's that?
Baby.
That's big boy panties. Those are big boy undies.
Mine.
Yeah, they're for Solomon. The Easter Bunny brought them.
Yeah. That one. That one.
And treats.
That one.
Say Happy Easter.